Hi guys, welcome back to the Kiehl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a skincare video. I haven't done a skincare video in a while. It takes a while, to try the product and then be able to share your thoughts. So today I'm going to be talking about a Kiehl's product, and I'm just gonna, do a little bit of a chit chat. The video won't be too long, but before we get into that, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. So today I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on the Kiehl's Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution, and on the bottle it says clinically demonstrated to help correct dark spots and discolorations for visible correction as well as clarity, and it says with the potent complex of activated C, white birch and pony or phony. Sorry guys, I can't really read without my glasses on. The writing is so small, but this particular one is 1.0 fluid ounces or 30 milliliters. Very small. They do say that maybe after 8 weeks you will see some results. Where can you buy this and how much does this cost? I did buy this at the Kiehl store, but you can get this for 800 Rand at Edgards. I do think it's very pricey for this. Let's talk, did it work? Personally, it didn't work for me. I do get dark spots when I break out with pimples, especially around my chin area. My pimples usually turn dark, and I usually do get marks around my chin, especially as well as my upper lip, and that's the reason why I went out to buy this. But I was just trying this out. When that happens for me personally, if I just hydrate my skin, if I make sure that I use sheet masks or face sheet mask at least twice a week, if I'm oil cleansing, especially oil cleansing really does help hydrate my skin. And I find that the more that my skin is hydrated, my marks actually disappear. And again, this is just me. So I've used quite a bit of this product. It's almost finished. When you open it up, it does come in a drop dispenser. So in order to activate or to get the product, you have to squeeze it, let the product fill up, you open it, and then when it comes to these drops, especially when it comes to influencers and people that you watch do videos, guys, please don't drop anything, because if this touches your skin, it's actually getting contaminated, and then you put it back in and it contaminates the rest of the liquid, the serum, and this comes with any drop. Always put it in your hands. Never start dropping the way you see a lot of influencers do that. So when it comes to the application of this, you drop it on your fingertips or the palm of your hand, but your fingertips is better, and you have to rub it to activate. It does contain vitamin C in it, which I love. My skin loves vitamin C. Activate it, and then you can apply it and pat. Do not rub the serum in. Pat it onto your skin and leave it for a minute or two to really get in there. Something that's very important to mention when you're using this product is you must use sunscreen. You must use SPF when you use this, even if it's on a cloudy day. I mean, when it's a cloudy day anywhere, we should be using SPF. And guys, I'm about done. I told you the price. I told you that this really didn't work for me. I was just interested to try it out. And it also says after 8 weeks, which is a very long time of continuously using this on a daily basis. For me personally, I used it at night and during the day as well, both times. If I used it at night, I just use a little bit of SPF because I'm going to sleep, but you must use SPF. But I think because it says SPF, you should be using this during the daytime. I think that this is something really cool, but again, after 8 weeks you may or may not get any results, and again, it's 800 Rand in South Africa. I'll put the stuff in the description, and I'll also put the US conversion. And if I have to convert this into US dollars, this is actually going to be $52. I wouldn't pay $52 for this. I mean, even 800 Rand was a bit of a stretch for me. And I'm gonna stop there, guys. I hope you enjoyed my thoughts. Drop your comments down below, and I'll see you again in another video. Take care.